Hi, this is Julie. Please sit comfortably with your spine straight and relaxed. Your head in a natural position, chest open, and feet flat on the floor. Take a nice slow breath in, and as you breathe out, gently close down your eyes. Now let your attention open to the sounds around you. Sounds close by and sounds further away. You don't need to name them. Just let each sound come and go. Notice the quiet moments between the sounds. Notice how your body responds. And if a new sound appears, slowly allow it. Let it pass through your awareness. Now bring your attention to the sound of your own breath. A gentle inhale and the soft exhale. Let the breath be natural. Let the sounds sit in the background. And take one more slow breath in. And as you breathe out fully, gently open your eyes. Well done.